This is one of the coolest finishes you guys will ever see on a UV resin pen, and I'm going to show you how to get it with our reflection powder. If you want the full tutorial, head over to YouTube, subscribe. It'll be posted within a couple days. We're using the Chameleon Ruby Throat Glitter to put a base coat on. The reason that I do this is because you can actually go back and distress it for an even cooler finish, which I'll show you in another video. But for now, we are buffing it all the way down. You can see there's still a couple more spots that I'm going to hand buff out. Once it's down to that dull finish, add a final coat of Skim coat and only cure it to a tacky stage, which would be about 30 to 45 seconds. Then take your reflection powder and we're just going to go on and tap it all the way around the pen and then start rubbing it in. And once you start rubbing it in, that's when it's going to get this really cool holographic finish. We're going to cure it, coat it, and this is what it looks like.